TrueSight Operations Management provides comprehensive event management across your application delivery environment, from databases, the network, specific services, and the applications themselves. These events can come from not only internal TrueSight systems, but also other third-party sources. What makes TrueSight Operations Event Management a leader in the industry is the ability to reduce the noise of too many events to address across a bunch of different tools and interfaces. With TrueSight Operations Management, you get essentially a command center to view and address the most relevant events quickly. Now, before we take a tour of how event management looks from our TrueSight console, consider that basic events that come from static thresholds can really exhaust any IT operations teams. It's often true that measurements that violate a threshold but are not sustained are expected, and it should not add to the noise. So that is why TrueSight Operations Management has dynamic baselining, so that you can have that intelligence built into the events that alert you only when a critical measurement falls outside of what is considered normal during a relevant sustained time period. You can also be proactively notified when a certain resource is approaching a time window that you need to address with more memory, CPU, or other infrastructure resources. These events are actionable and help you acknowledge, assign, and resolve problems much faster. All of these features are built into our interface as we take a look now. From this quick summary of events, you can select one and have access to a comprehensive set of workflows to quickly address the event right away. For example, you can claim it for yourself, assign it to one of your team members, export it to another department in your organization, do probable cause analysis, or pivot to in-depth analysis of the context of the event in infrastructure management or log analysis with IT data analytics. When you click View Details, you get all the details you need to determine what has happened and what other resources might be impacted. Check out these tiled filters at the top as part of your strategy to reduce the noise. You can select and deselect these categories of events to zero in and pinpoint exactly what you want to address. You can also use the menu at the top to do filtering based on time period, custom filters, and edit the way the events are displayed in the table, including the column headings as shown here. You can also limit or expand the sources you want to include in your event views. Now, with a little upfront planning, you can develop an event grouping strategy so that you're also reducing the noise for specific members of your team and through role-based access. Your strategy of grouping provides views that really streamline the workflow so that only relevant events are displayed for those who need to address them. These groups can be based on sources, devices, applications, functions, abnormalities, you name it. You can also create a hierarchy of groups with nested subgroups. This comprehensive set of event management features in TrueSight Operations Management helps you quickly reduce the clutter of events in your environment, visualize, and then allow the appropriate team to address what they need to address quickly, which eliminates the need to conference with disparate teams across your organization.